Welcome everyone. In this short video, we are going to see how to set up SharpCloud Docker instance in Linux under 3 minutes. Open up the setup guide and a terminal of your choice. Before we go ahead with the installation, make sure you have Docker, Docker Compose, Zip and Zip utility installed in your machine. And you have an HTTPS certificate in .pfx format. Let's start. First, extract the contents of the SharpCloud install tar file into your folder. Now go to SharpCloud installation directory. The installation directory has the pre-installed script that needs to be run. Now just run the script. Pre-installed script checks your system for all the prerequisites needed, downloads files which are essential for your installation, and also set up your SharpCloud app directory. SharpCloud will be installed to op/SharpCloud. Now go to the SharpCloud app directory. Update your SharpCloud.env and appsettings.json file specific to your environment if needed. Now copy your HTTPS certificate to the mounted cert volume in the SharpCloud app directory. The next step is an optional step if you want to use the specific version of SharpCloud rather than using the latest image. Give the below command with the version you intend to set up. Now it's time to bring up the application stack. You can use the Docker Compose up command to do this. You can see now the images are being pulled. To have SharpCloud run as a Docker containers, you would have 5 containers running side by side. Redis, SQL Server, SharpCloud Background, SharpCloud Scheduler, and SharpCloud Web. Now it's time to run the database initialization script. There are 3 initial scripts. First one is to create database, second one is for creating DB schema, and the last one is for some initial data seed. Let me show you where we have our database scripts. You can see here the database script or copied to a mounted volume sc-update during our initial stage of setup. You can also see the HTTPS certificate we copied earlier to the cert mounted volume right here. Let's get back to the final step of installation. Now you just have to bring down the containers and start it back up again to apply the DB changes we just made. That's it. We just set up SharpCloud as a Docker instance in a Linux machine. Now it's time to go to any browser and just launch SharpCloud and see it's working. Thank you.